race number 2. Good luck. Gates open. They're up and racing. Tiger Moon draws for your lead. Golden Angge is on the outside. Real Winner running by the rail, followed by Lakota Creek. Then comes Elusive Cat, Speed Spell, and Backyard B-Boy is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900, Real Winner now in command by about a length and a half. Tiger Moon drops back in second, and moving up by the rail is the favorite Elusive Cat. Lakota Creek racing in fourth. Golden Angge on the outside peep, then followed by Speed Spell, and Backyard B-Boy is still trailing the group past the last 600. We have Real Winner just in front by about half length. Elusive Cat throwing a challenge on the outside and now moves up to take the lead. Real Winner, Elusive Cat moving up on the outside together with Golden Angge. Lakota Creek, and on the outside is Speed Spell by the rail. Backyard B-Boy with the last 200 meters more to run. Foreigners are fighting it out for the lead. Golden Angge moving up on the outside. Once again, Tiger Moon, and number 5 is Speed Spell, and finally Tiger Moon just got there over Golden Angge. Is Speed Spell, Backyard B-Boy, Elusive Cat, then comes Lakota Creek, and Real Winner.